Eyezu, eyeza, plane first. Eyezu, eyeza, enkobo ngitingiti.
Ojo onyema na amotete so no ebi akọ airport.
Welcome to the political round with me, the voice, right here on the Ghana SMTV GH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. NDC 4. One of the things they are so much boasting about a dollar to CD ratio. Mo. But you see, Kwame Nkrumah Kasembi said, the independence of Ghana is meaningless unless it is linked to the total liberation of the African continent. I'm just paraphrasing, not verbatim though. And now what I'm also telling this before they say, the appreciation of the city is meaningless if it is not linked to reduction in cost of living, reduction in transport fares, reduction which includes reduction in plane fares. To say Ghana on. One of the things are very expensive. Our NDC are buying with over the past 5 months. A plane fare. Opia offer plane. Accra to Kumasi plane fare. Round trip 40 million. 40 million for 30 minutes journey. Half an hour plane journey. 40 million in a round trip. Under John Mahama. And you are happy. When happy say, and I see the name you say, and I'm coming on nutum. Because economy no, and where you bottom, as you people have said when you were in opposition. Economy na then, and where you bottom, and to say your bottom, you who reflection there. Countryside, Obia Woho, and other places, you are still paying the same lorry fares, no reduction. Calipo Ukotoa at the same price. Drink Coke Ukotoa, same price. Gobe Ukotoa, same quantity. You don't come and tell us you are doing something. No? So you people should keep quiet and work. Work and let plane fares come down. Because until local plane fares come down, your whatever this you are celebrating, marking yourself 75%, useless. Very, very useless. We are not seeing anything. We are not seeing tomatoes. Tomatoes need boy a day. Tomatoes, common tomatoes need boy a day. And one bucket, 2 million tomatoes. One bucket, blue band bucket, small one, 2 million. 2 million. Bakuse 5 cities. Uko jina hona mame no hu enim na won say we fine boy wo aboju say kakra say na ma 3 for 10 series tomatoes 3 for 10 series and ukra say aboju say 37 dey this aboju say nyefed dey forget it. Tomatoes back 5 cities under your government and you are jubilated. My friend, go and sit somewhere
Na ko hese honso moteso because obi me ntiase se Kumasi to Accra. Say for one of the 2 airlines. Now no me ko Kumasi be say yini. Obi 4,000 Ghana cedis in and out. Me am shame. Nti mo di hun komo. In fact, na ye ade a panyi bi ni me di hun komo frame me say Kofi dey na ekosi. Nti me ti say mo di hun komo no kra me aye me wanwa. Minim say won so to kwan nansen a.
It's starting kind actually.
Okay.
It's too expensive.
It's too expensive.
Two. A 30-minute flight? No.
Look, Obi.
30 minutes.
On a good day, Ufri, Massachusetts, Koibia, Washington, D.C. On a good time.
Yes.
Bet me and be 250. So far, no frills the Anokrana, which is the low budget one. Nakrana, bet me and be very cheap. Like Spirit Air, the Frontier, near there. But offer the regular Delta.
Yes.
And they are now United Mona.
Oh, you're looking about 3 hours.
There be DC to Massachusetts, they're about 1 hour 25 minutes.
Maybe you're using the proper one.
Yeah, because Chicago to California, you're almost 3 hours.
Yeah. Okay. So Massachusetts, Chicago, no, yeah, in Finfinka.
Sure.
Midwest.
Yeah.
But Massachusetts is one end, California is another end. So Massachusetts to California can be 6 hours a flight. So they said the free Ghana UK. That's how
in one country. I think from there, Maryland to Chicago, I think we use about 2 hours.
Maryland to Chicago can be about an hour 45 minutes or so. So Obi, on a good time, and I make us from Massachusetts to DC.
Yes.
Wait me maybe about 250, 245. Massachusetts to California on a good time 450, in a round trip 600, because like I said,
yes.
Massachusetts to Chicago, Nancy me call Massachusetts to Colorado. I mean, my point is, even dollar denominated economies, $400 is a lot for a flight. Now me
30 minutes flight.
30 minutes. No you see,
these are hours flights.
Passion 33 minutes.
Yes.
Back on the
Africa well.
27 minutes.
No do.
So how do you charge 400 United States dollars for round trip? I just don't understand it.
It's too. I don't know who. And I hope no a free market means so be You
see, Obi,
but it's too much.
You see, Obi, Kojo said be a
government exists to solve some of these problems.
Look, Ghana is overly liberalized. And you see, and your money be on a can. Now the politics no room too much. The entire inflation shoot 2 to 54%. No, it is because of some of these things. The lack of control. Of course, dollar no. In fact, 2022, Adia ma petrol shoot 2 to 17 ana Kojokana. It was October 2022. Obia Otemi be a Kocheki crude price October 2022. It was $96 to $99 a barrel, and the crude is 66. And Sana, that was the same time you had the most shock on our FX reserves. So we literally had depleted our FX. And on the obekaya that week, dollar ni shoot from I think about 8 to 16 or 14 within bare 4 days. 4 days. And it drew, sir, because now your reserves, literally we're almost done. Tia buying your dollar will be beer or they be show up. So these two things and they shoot up prices. Obi, adia chin ye na anwa ye ton no 700 na do 1,000 something. What is going on? Just ye tunia manimwa busa was what is driving this? But that's because we have an overly liberalized economy. So me sorry. Now as long as I have demand, now me see me din so we beji $100
unless there is competition.
Competition or you see Papa B or the rice market or your interview or pure FM on the Kwame Dinkra. Mushi obi obehwehwe sa interview ni bi obehu. Obeka say in that market they form a cartel. To decide say omo the betum to say no enyame na make count. This interview went viral around that time. So obeka ya I'm sure so obi you can say interview. And was into ono ne no ka kire ne group ne say that be ade no say betum kura nka yemfa bi a say na ntu. But baby I'm dey come minimum nyadwen. This is an interview to make say competition no kra no my way sometimes
cement manufacturers
they come together.
They say DGC.
It defeats the point of competition. Now
see the next one.